of the things that potential students often fret about a bit is that the portfolio needs to show technical drawings of houses or something, and that's really not the case. It's much broader than that, because what we're after is demonstration of a real interest, a passion for design or art, for creative practices, and some capabilities or capacities.
So when I started with a portfolio, it was a bit daunting and it was a bit sort of, oh no, what do I put in? But I was always very curious and interested in painting and sculpture, and so that was the sort of stuff that I put in.
Works that you can include in your portfolio are things such as graphic design works, video works, renders, websites, any sort of digital works you might have been doing at school or even outside of school.
It could be painting, drawing, it could be experimentation in industrial design.
From a young age, I was really interested in enrolling in the Bachelor of Design Computing because it really catered to a lot of the things that I was interested in. So a lot of the ideas of art, programming, interaction design and other elements of the degree were really catered towards the things I liked. The portfolio is an alternative entry into the course. If you're afraid you're not going to get the ATAR cutoff, or you think that the ATAR won't reflect your creative potential, then the portfolio is a way that you can put together some of your creative works and reflect you as an individual. One of the main pieces of advice I'd give is think about the types of artworks that you want to show, as well as the range of different media types and the things that you're really interested in, and then coming up with a good way of presenting those, like putting it on a USB or a URL online.
I decided to enrol in the Bachelor of Design in Architecture because I'm very interested in architecture and the built environment. The degree here at Sydney University is very creative, and it's sort of incorporated all the elements I was looking for in a career. I really wanted my portfolio to show my creative diversity. There's a lot of different aspects in there, from drawing, costume, graphic design. There's lots of different things, so I wanted it to be really versatile, and I wanted it to show that I've got the skills to step it up. In presenting my portfolio, when I went to the information night, they did mention that they were only going to have 5 minutes to look through the portfolios, so I really wanted to create something that would stand out and that would be memorable. So I ended up going with a wooden laser cut portfolio case. It was something that would be memorable.
I touched on my graphics abilities, my digital media as well. Some of my sketches I put in, rather than a lot of images of the same work. You really need to show a broad range.
The three components of the portfolio are the cover sheet, the cover letter, and a collection of your works.
The cover letter is a really important aspect of the portfolio. It lets you write about who you are as an individual and tell the course a little bit about who you are and why you're interested in the degree.
We can accept a digital copy or a hard copy. It doesn't matter, whichever one is easier for you, but do remember not to send us the original artworks. We can't return the portfolios, so you need to keep those precious items for yourself. Make sure you scan or photograph or make copies of works to put in your portfolio.
I think that the range of things that you get in a portfolio is so diverse, and that's part of a creative process.